the airport, Bangalore airport. So I reached the Bangalore airport and I will go to the Qatar counter to get my boarding pass. Just got my boarding pass and my launch pass for the Bangalore. So I'll be heading to Assam. This is the launch and this is the launch pass. This is the new Bangalore launch. So guys, we are about to land in Doha, and I just want to show you this is a compartment for the storing water bottles and some other stuff, and these are all the settings for the seating arrangements. There's a massage also as well, like if you press this one, it's a back massage, and these are the charging points. This is a remote for the TV. So we have reached to Doha airport and this is our ass. Going to Al Morjan lounge. It's a business class lounge.
Program traveling with us today. Customers interested in joining our award-winning program may enroll online by visiting the website www.
Want to show you guys what all amenities you get in the Qatar Airways. So you get a one pajama which is of the white company, and you also get the bricks pouch, and it has the hydrating facial mist and some of the other stuffs. So we are about to land in Houston, and this is the forward camera on the plane, and these are the skies outside. So beautiful. We have landed in USA in Houston, so we'll be going to immigration for my immigration clearance. Just reached my hotel. I'm staying in Embassy Suites by Hilton, and this is my room. Has a nice view from outside.